In this video, we will guide you through how to clip your gameplay on a PC using NVIDIA overlay. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. To follow this tutorial, you will need a NVIDIA graphics card along with the NVIDIA app installed on your computer. So basically, just go ahead and open any browser to your liking, and in the search bar, just go ahead and search for NVIDIA app and hit enter. Just go to the official website for NVIDIA app and just go ahead and click on download now. And now your setup exe file will be successfully downloaded, and once that it has finished downloading, just go ahead and open your file explorer, and in the file explorer navigate to the downloads folder and you should see your NVIDIA application. Just go ahead and double click on it to run the setup wizard. Just click on yes if prompted and just wait for it to finish loading. And now you will get the license agreement. Just read through the license agreement and click on agree and continue, and just wait for it to finish installing. And now it will launch automatically. So I'm just gonna go ahead and minimize all. Now here you will get two options. You will get to select preferred driver. So if you are a gamer, just go ahead and choose gamer, as if you choose for gamers, your driver will be finely tuned in collaboration with developer and extensively tested to deliver the best experience for your favorite games, or co-with creators if you are a creator. So after selecting, just go ahead and click on next and click on next. And here you will see you have to press Alt and Z key on the keyboard to open NVIDIA overlay. So just go ahead and enable the NVIDIA overlay and click on next. After that, just go ahead and click on skip to app. Just go ahead and press Alt and Z key on a keyboard to open the overlay, or if your overlay is not appearing, just go ahead and go to settings and you will see NVIDIA overlay, and here at the top, just go ahead and click on this icon to open the overlay. Now from the options, just go ahead and select instant replay. Just go ahead and toggle off instant replay if it is toggled on, and go to configure video capture. In here, if you would like to record your desktop in addition to games, just go ahead and enable desktop capture. This allows instant replay to save clips from your desktop as well, instead of only working while you are in a game. And now just choose the instant replay length. So it records up to 20 minutes. So just go ahead and find your sweet spot. Let's say I want to record 2 minutes. So I'll just adjust the slider to 2 minutes, just like so. Now you will see output format, and here set the quality to custom. So after selecting custom, set the resolution to in-game and set the frame rate to 60 or 120 depending on your system. And also you can leave the codec at default. And here you will see option for bitrate. Bitrate controls the overall quality of your recording. Generally speaking, the higher the bitrate, the better the video quality, although it will also create larger file sizes. For 1080p gameplay, a bitrate around 30 Mbps works well. If you are recording at 1440p, increase it to around 40. And if you are using 4K recording, use the bitrate around 50, just like so. After that, just go back and toggle on instant replay. Just go back once again, and now just go ahead and go to highlights, and now toggle off highlight. This feature automatically saves certain in-game moments, but many players prefer turning it off because it often records clips that they don't actually want to keep. Now just go ahead and go back, and you will see option for microphone. You can just select it to push to talk, to off, or always on. You can also use this shortcut key to toggle it on or off. Now go to the gear icon at the top, and here you will see option for audio. Just go ahead and click on it, and here make sure system sound volume is set to 100 so your game audio is recorded clearly. Next, expand your microphone and select your microphone device. In my case, it's going to be this particular microphone, so I'll just select it and set your volume. If you don't want your microphone recorded, simply set the volume for microphone to 0, just like so, and you can do the same for system sound also. After that, you can just go back and go to instant replay and toggle it off for now, and go back and go to gear icon and go to audio once again, and now you will see audio track. So basically, if you want both your game audio and microphone combined into one file that's ready to upload immediately, just go ahead and select a single track. If you plan to edit your clips later and would like to control your microphone separately from the game audio, just go ahead and select separate track instead. This records your system audio and microphone on different audio track, giving you much more flexibility during recording. After that, you can just go ahead and go back, and now just go to file and disk space, and here you will see gallery location. Now just go ahead and click on it, and now just click on your gallery location, and here just choose a folder where you would like NVIDIA to save all of your gameplay clips. After that, just go ahead and click on done, and after that you can just go back and you'll see shortcut. Just go ahead and click on it. The most important shortcut here is save last, which saves the amount of gameplay that you selected earlier in the instant replay, which in my case was 2 minutes. So basically when you press this particular keybind, your last 2 minutes or the length that you added earlier will be instantly saved. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and go back and go to instant replay and toggle it on. And now when I press Alt and F10 key on my keyboard, you can see the instant replay has been saved. And here you can see a new folder called desktop has been created. So when I go inside it, the video has been successfully saved. And that's it.